Hi everyone, welcome back to the Veg Mama. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to make sofrito. Alright, so you're going to need one red bell pepper, a quarter cup of roughly chopped cilantro, one small onion, and like I said before, I love garlic, so we're using 5 cloves of garlic. Okay? And we're going to use also one whole cup of tomato puree, which I've already put in this measuring cup. So what I'm going to do is just put all my ingredients in a food processor. Oh, that's also very important. You need a food processor. Or a blender. If you have a high-speed blender, that's fine too. As long as it can pulse, you're good. Okay, so take our whole onion, take our garlic, and I'm just gonna cut up my red bell pepper into smaller pieces so it can fit in the food processor. Just take that. Okay, so that's a whole bell pepper. And this is my cilantro. I'm just gonna roughly chop it. This is about a half a cup roughly chopped cilantro. So we'll just take all that, put it in here.
Touch it.
Okay, Tatum, you're fine, baby.
You want to touch it?
You want to touch it?
Yeah, I want to touch it. See? There's more.
Okay, that's all done.
Yes.
We add our 1 cup of tomato puree. There. And you're gonna need a mason jar, some kind of like a container to hold your sofrito. So these I just got from like a Michael's. It's like $1. And you're gonna season it with some salt. This is about a teaspoon of salt I'm putting. That just gives it like all the flavor. Yes, baby.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. This.
Touch it?
Yeah, they touched it.
Go ahead, touch it.
So I'm putting it there. And I like to add a little cumin just to add some flavor. You could also do oregano if you want. Just a little sprinkle. It's up to you how much you like how much heat you like in your food. It just gives the sofrito a little warm. Okay, so now we're just gonna pulse it a few times. And then you're just gonna check on it.
You can watch.
You can watch mommy. And you're just gonna also just scrape at it just so that it chops up all your veggies good. So with this sofrito, if you put it in a mason jar or like a tight lid, it should last you in the fridge for about 2 weeks or so. And with sofrito, it's a great base of flavor to have. You can use it on empanadas, which I'm going to be making. I'm prepping actually for. You could use sofrito. You could also, if you want to make arroz con gandules, it's a great like base of flavors, and it just adds a lot of flavor to your food. So the consistency of your sofrito should come out like that, and then just pour it on in your mason jar. It, and then you just seal it like that. That's it. Sofrito. Super easy. 5 minutes. It's a great flavor base for everything. Super yummy.